So, my name is Stephen Snow. Been with Donaldson for 12 years, and I actually started in the Operations Development Program. So the ODA program is a 3-year rotational program through various manufacturing sites throughout North America. And I had the opportunity to join that program right out of school. Really enjoyed it because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do in manufacturing, so I was able to work in several different functional areas in our different manufacturing sites in the U.S. And I found that maybe I liked certain things about supply chain or engineering and bounced between those areas and ended up finding kind of a better home in supply chain and found that was what I was best at. So now out of the ODA program, I moved into, again, more of a supply chain role, supply chain manager in our St. Louis factory, then became the plant manager there. And for the last few years, I've been the operations director, responsible for our aerospace and defense operations. So really my job is to make sure we're operating safely, efficiently, and that we're taking care of our customers.